Global body rank Nigeria among a chronic worker rights violators. Nigeria is facing labor problem. That what the people are getting, what the workers are getting, are really very low, and they don't want to fix it. Now it has gone to International Labor Index. I am going to read a few for you. The International Trade Union Confederation (ITUC), representing 191 million workers in 169 countries and territories with 340 national affiliates, including the Nigerian Labour Congress (NLC) and the Trade Union Congress of Nigeria (TUC), has released its 2024 Global Rights Index, indicting Nigeria. According to the report, Nigeria is ranked among Costa Rica, Finland, Israel, Kazakhstan, Madagascar, Mexico, Qatar, the Russia Federation, Saudi Arabia, Sudan, and Switzerland for chronic violation of workers' rights. It goes ahead to say that the Nigerian Labour Congress (NLC) have, with the report, it has been vindicated by what it called the federal government unfaithfulness to the national minimum wage negotiation, among other things, saying instances of non-compliance with labor laws, infidelity in honoring negotiation agreements, distort and unfaithfulness in the tripartite national minimum wage negotiation process, including delayed implementation of the minimum wage adjustment and the inadequate enforcement of occupational health and safety standard, highlights systematic failures. Did you see it? The minimum wage negotiation has been deadlocked, with the federal government offering 62,000 and organized labor comprising NLC and the Trade Union Congress (TUC) insisting on 250,000 after initial quoting 615,000 naira, which many people considered unrealistic in view of the downturn in the national economy. The report of the negotiation committee is currently before President Bola Tinubu, who is expected to break the deadlock. The ITUC Global Rights Index, a comprehensive review of workers' rights in the ranking 150 countries against a list of 97 indicators divided from ILO conventions and jurisprudence, and as such is the only database of its kind. Did you see it? Let us come to analyze this very well. I am stopping here. But if you are coming across here, you have not subscribe and share it across to people. Lend your voice. Hit on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we post anything here. The lawmakers, which is the Senate, have come out to say that some people are just causing problem for them, for people to hate them. And I have asked them severally, if what these people are saying is not true, let them publish what they earn every month. These people are earning a lot of money that is greater than the workers. How should it be in a country where everybody is a worker and the workers eat more than the size of what they are supposed to eat? Okay, only SUV, let's say, people are saying it's 150 million, some are saying it's 140 million, even if it's 80 million. How can a lawmaker be driving a car of 80 million while others are working on food? How? While hunger is killing their province. How? As it was alleged that is 140 million. How many workers are in Nigeria? The money for SUVs is even more than enough to settle everything work in the entire Nigeria. Okay, these people are saying 600 and okay, let's say the money of SUV is shared into two. 140 million is around 70 million. Share it. 70 million workers will get 1 million instead of 600 and they initially said. They will be getting 1 million. And how many workers do you have in Nigeria? It's not up to the amount of the SUV money that is bought for the senators in Nigeria. That will fix a whole state. Infrastructure development will be fixed. Hospital will be fixed. And other things coupled with the money that is arranged for hospitals that are being embezzled, schools that are being embezzled, social amenities that are being embezzled. You will have working companies, industries that will employ our numerous youth in Nigeria. It will cover up school infrastructures, and the educational sectors will be okay. It will cover our hospitals and the payment of our doctors. And they are saying that they are inciting people, the Nigerians, to hate the lawmakers. Nobody hates you, but we are counting from the records. Nigeria has records. We are counting from the records. How long will you people continue indicting the people? You are indicting the people of coming against you while you are doing the wrong thing on the wrong time. When our economy is in shambles, is crying for help, you are driving SUV of 140 million. You are leaving allowance of 3 million every month. Even newspaper allowance is worth of millions. Newspaper you will go to, as I'm talking to you now, you go to the internet and click and read all newspapers. It's allowance. So reading something now, they need to pay you for reading it. Where you are getting your information and knowledge instead of you to pay. You are supposed to be paying for the radio you listen. You are supposed to be paying for the newspaper you are reading, because it is one of the tax you need to pay. Instead of you paying, Nigeria will pay you, the senator, to be reading news. This is an error. And as far as I am concerned in Nigeria, this is an impunity and the injustice to the people. The teachers and the doctors that are supposed to pay hugely are there crying, pay us, pay us. People that wake up early morning at 8 o'clock to start jobs will be crying to pay them, while you people sit even, let's 2 times in a week, or even once in a week. Sometimes you don't sit in a week, but you are working. What are you working? Go to your jurisdictions where you cover. Everywhere is shattered. There is nothing done there. How is it not an impunity? If it comes from you people to restructure Nigeria, is it not good to be done by you, not by your predecessors? Is it not for you to make a law and enforce the law that Nigeria will have security? Is it not for you to make a law to see there is referendum in all the ailing communities, in all the ailing states that are crying for cessation? Make a law that will guide them in order for these things to stop. Some places now are dumped. The lawmakers in Idat or not. Are you not seeing the gully erosion that is eating up Idat or not? From Olu to Idat, are you not seeing it? You are driving on SUV of 140 million. Is it a good law you are making? Which law are you making? Who are you making those laws for? The lawmakers in the southeast, are you not seeing the insurgency? What is happening? To make a law to rectify this, to become that, so that peace will come. The lawmakers in the north, are you not seeing Boko Haram taking over, ISWAP taking over the community? What have you done? You are driving a SUV of 140 million, and you are taking allowance of newspaper of millions. You are taking wardrobe and the house allowance, while other workers are living outside. They are living in dungeons. They are living in different places that are not good, in shanties. Let us tell ourselves the truth. Let's tell ourselves the truth. It is better we tell ourselves the truth before things go more bad and wrong. This is wonderful love, where we disseminate and share love. We share love everywhere. The truth must be spoken. That is the word that God has given to me, and the work of God must be accomplished. Subscribe to this channel. But if you hate what I am saying, you can hawk transformer. I don't care. I don't look at anybody. My word and my food is to accomplish what the Lord has sent me to do here, not to worship you. I don't worship. I worship no humankind. God bless you.